Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 13 of English grammar, that is article a and the. Dear students, in the previous class we have read what are the articles. I have told you in the previous class that there are three articles, a and the. These three words are article in English language. Dear students, I have also told you that there are two kinds of article, indefinite article and definite article, and in the category of indefinite article we keep the article a and, okay, or and, okay. In the category of indefinite article we keep the article a and another article is that is definite article. Dear students, in the previous class we have read the indefinite article a and. Okay, and today we will discuss the article the, use of the. In the previous class we have read the use of a and use of and. Dear students, I have told you that when do we use article a. Dear students, I have told you we use article a with the words, with the noun beginnings with the consonant sound. We use the article a beginning with the consonant sound. Consonant sound. Dear students, consonant sound. Dear students, I am talking about sound. And you all know that there are 5 vowels in English: a, e, I, o, u. Okay? And rest of the letters in English are consonant. So, dear students, the word that produce the sound of consonants. Dear students, I have also told you that you will check your sound with the Hindi vowel. With the Hindi vowel I have told you, you will check your sounds with Hindi vowel or to aha. Okay, if the pronunciation starts with a to a, I, o, a, I, o, ang. If the pronunciation starts with these words, then with these letters, with these sound, then you will use the article and. Okay, and if the sounds, if the words, if the noun start with the consonant sound, and what are the consonant sound? In English there are 21 consonants, but in Hindi you have to match with the Hindi sound, with the Hindi vyanjan from ka to gya. If your pronunciation starts with ka, kha, ga, ga, such as, then you will use the article a. Okay, so keep in your mind that we use the article a, the word with the words, before the words beginning with the consonant sound, not later. Consonant sound. Dear students, for example, I have told you in the previous class that uniform. The word uniform, U is according to English letter, that is vowel. But what is the pronunciation of this? U. You can see that is here, U. Therefore, we will not use here and. The use of and is wrong. Use of and is wrong because the pronunciation is here. That is vyanjan in Hindi. So, you will use the article a. That is correct. Or uniform. Okay, students? And in the same way, I have also told you one more example, honest man. Just see, honest man. The word H is what? According to English letter, that is consonant. But the pronunciation of this word is a, honest. Therefore, we will not use here a, that is wrong. We will use the article and. Because the beginning of the sound, beginning of this word produce the sound of vowel. Okay, students, so you keep in your mind the Hindi sound. Okay, from a to a, from ka to ja. then you can use the articles a and correctly. Okay, so just before the noun honest man we will use the article and, before the word uniform we will use the article a. Okay, doesn't matter that this letter is vowel, doesn't matter that this letter is consonant, you have to check the sound. As I have told you that the words we use article a before the sound, before the words that gives the sound of consonant, we will use the article a. If it is giving the sound of vowel from a to a, then we will use the article an. Okay students, I hope that everything is clear. The use of a and use of and a, both are clear to you. Okay, now we will discuss the definite articles. Dear students, in the previous class I have told you that there is only one definite article, that is the. Okay, so today we will discuss the use of the. Dear students, you put the heading use of the. Okay, open your notebook and start writing use of the. Okay, just write down use of the. Dear students, it is not visible to you, therefore I am going to erase it. I will write here use of the. Okay, so just see use of the. We will use, where do we use the article the? Okay, dear students, it is a definite article in English. It is a definite article. We use the article the to denote the whole class. To denote the whole class of a person, of animals or any other things. Suppose that we are talking about a cow. Okay, cow is a animal. Cow is a gentle animal. Okay, so cow denotes the whole category of the cows. Therefore, we will use here the cow. Okay, lion is the king of jungle. The word lion, just see, lion is the king of jungle. The word lion denotes the whole class of lion. Therefore, we will use the article the. Okay, students. So there are so many rules that you have to keep in your mind. Where do we use the article the? Okay. So first of all, put the point 1. Number 1. Write down also. The is used. The article the is used when a singular noun. When a singular noun. Dear students, you will also write in your notebook. Okay, the is used when a singular noun represents the whole class. Represents the students, I am writing here. Represents the whole class. Okay, just see. First use, we use the article the when a singular noun. When a singular noun, as I have told you, the lion is the king of animal, king of forest. So just see, the is used when the singular noun represents the whole class. Okay, example you can see. Let's write down the example also. The dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Faithful animal. Okay, students, just see. Here the word dog. Here the word dog denotes the whole class, community of dog. Therefore, we will use the article the. before the singular noun. The word dog is what? Singular noun. And we are using just before the word dog the article the, because it denotes, it represents the whole class of the animal. That is faithful animal. Okay. One more example you can see. Just say students, cow is a kind animal. The cow is a kind animal. Kind animal. Just see students, in this sentence the word cow denotes the whole class of cow, that all the cows are kind. Okay, here all the dogs are faithful. It denotes the whole class, whole community, whole group. Okay, therefore we will use the article the. Okay students, so keep in your mind that we use the article the before the singular noun that denotes the whole class. Okay, so just write down it. I hope that you all have understood. The first use, where do we use the article the? We use the article the when a singular noun represents the whole class. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood the first use. Now come to the second use. I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have completed your copy. So come to the next use. Use second. Just say students. And what are the second use? What is the second use? We use the article the. Just see. The is used. Yes students, we use the article the before the oceans, before the rivers, before the sea, before the gulfs. Okay, that is particular. You see, the is used with the name of oceans, comma, seas, rivers and gulfs. Gulfs. Okay, just see. We use the article the with the name of oceans, seas, river and gulfs. Example you can see. You can see the example students. The Pacific Ocean. Okay. Use the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. OCEAN. Okay, Pacific Ocean. And another, the Persian Gulf. The Persian Gulf. GUN. Third, you may write the Gangas. The Gangas, the Yamunas. Okay. The Ganges. Or you can write the Gangas also. Okay. That is also called GANGES, Ganges. Or you can also write the GANGA. Okay, both are the correct. So students, keep in your mind that we use the article the with the name of oceans. You can see the example, Pacific. Okay, seas and rivers. You can see the Ganga. Ganga is what? Ganga is river. And gulfs. Okay, Persian Gulfs. Okay students, so keep in your mind that we also use the article the before the oceans, before the seas, before the rivers, before the gulfs. Okay, so just write down students the second use. We use the article the with the name of oceans, seas, river and gulfs. Okay, I hope that you all have understood the second use. Now I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have understood. Now we will discuss third use. Where do we use? There are so many rules. Where do we use the article the? Just see students, now the is also used. The is also used with the unique object that is only one in this world. For example, earth, sun, moon, that is only one. Therefore, we will also use the article the before the things that is unique. Okay, write down. The is used. The is used before the name of. Before the name of. Before the name of unique objects. Unique. Unique means special, but that is only one. Unique object. Just see. The is used before the name of unique object. Okay? The is used before the name of unique object. Okay? So, just write down the example. You can see the earth. We generally use the earth. The moon. The sun. Okay? The sun. These are what? These are the unique objects. Okay? There are so many things you can write, etc. that is unique in this world. Okay? The is used before the name of unique objects. You can see the example. The sun, the moon, the earth. Okay? These are what? These are unique in this galaxy. Okay, students? So just write down this use, the use of the, that is the third rule. Okay? I hope that you all have understood this rule third, and come to the next fourth point. Use of the. Okay? Just write down the fourth. The is used before the mountain ranges. We also use the article the. The is used before the mountain ranges. The mountain ranges. Just see, students, I hope that it is visible to you. Yes, the is used before the mountain ranges. Dear students, there are so many mountains in this world. For example, Everest. So we will use the article the before the Everest. The Everest. We will say the Everest too. Okay, Himalayas, the Himalayas. Okay, in this way we will use the article the. We use the article the before the mountain ranges. Okay, before the mountain ranges. Example you write. Just see the example. The Himalayas. The Himalayas. Okay, the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest. Okay, students, so just write down these two examples. The is used before the mountain ranges. Example, the Himalaya. Okay, the Mount Everest, etc. There are so many mountains, you will write, etc. Okay. I hope that students, you all have understood the use of the. Now one more point you write down. That is also given. There are so many points also given in your book. You can see. Okay. Just see. It is also given in your book. Just write down the point 5. Just see. It is written here. The is used with superlative degree. Yes. Yes, students, you all have read the degrees. There are 3 kinds of degrees. Positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative. So we use the article the before the superlative degree. Okay, suppose that good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, best is superlative degree. So we will use the article the before the word best. Okay. For example, honesty is the best, because the word best is what? Superlative degree. Okay. Therefore, we will use the article the. Just see, the is used with superlative degree, superlative degree of adjective. Just as you all have read already the degrees of comparison. Okay, so there are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. We use the article the is used with superlative degrees of adjective. Okay. Example you can see. Just write down the example also. As I have told you already, honesty is the best policy. Just see, honesty is the best policy. Policy. Just in this sentence, the word best is what? Adjective. But here we are using good is what? Adjective, that is positive degree, better is comparative degree, and the word best is superlative degree. That you have to learn degrees. Okay, and we use the article the before the superlative degree. You can see the word best is superlative degree, therefore we will use the article the before it. Okay, one more example you can see. It is also given. You can see Mohan is the, what would be the superlative degree of tall? Tall, taller, and tallest. Okay, so that is superlative degree. Therefore, we will use the article the before it. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Just see, students, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. So here the word tallest is what? Superlative degree. Therefore, we will use the article the just before the superlative degree, tallest. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood. Okay, so just see, Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, so just write down these examples. And the use of the is used before the superlative degree of adjective, or with the superlative degree of adjective. You can see the example. Honesty is the best policy. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. Okay, students, and one more you write. Yes, students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have written already. It is also given. Just see the next use. It is the last use. Just see 6. And we also use the article the with the well-known famous buildings. For example, Taj Mahal, famous building. So we will use the article the before Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the India Gate. Okay. Just write down. The is used. Article the is used with the name of well-known buildings. Well-known well-known buildings. Well-known buildings. Example you can see. You can write the example. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a famous building, and we will use the article the before the word Taj Mahal. Okay. One more example you can write. The Red Fort. The Red Fort. Red Fort is also a famous building. Therefore, we will also use the article the before the word Red Fort. And come to the next question. The India. Not next question. Next point. Next example. The India Gate. You can write India Gate. Okay. These are famous, well-known buildings. Therefore, we will use the article the before these nouns. Okay, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and India Gate. And there are so many buildings also. Qutub Minar. Okay, there are so many buildings. And just before that word, you will use the article the. So, students, today we have read the use of the. Okay, that is definite articles. Yes, students, if you have any kind of problem in this topic, the use of the, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss the exercises of this chapter. Okay, thank you.